नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है बीसीसी क्लासेस बाय नीतीश सर पर। आज जो है क्लास 10th का आर्टिकल राइटिंग हम लोग जानेंगे। सीबीएसई बोर्ड का है। तो आर्टिकल राइटिंग के पहले हम लोग जानेंगे आर्टिकल राइटिंग क्या है। तो एन आर्टिकल इज ए पीस ऑफ नॉन फिक्शन प्रोज राइटिंग दैट इवेल्युएट स्टूडेंट्स स्किल्स इन एक्सप्रेसिंग आइडियाज, प्लानिंग्स and organizing, presenting ideas with supportive examples, comprehending ideas and arriving at a conclusion. It is written to express personal opinions, present information on a variety of themes, and to inform, entertain, or convince people. So this one is called article writing. Article writing has 6 steps. So one format is given here, writing skill. First I am going to tell about the marking scheme for article writing. Title, for title 1 mark is there, content for 4 marks, accuracy 2.5 marks, fluency 2.5 marks, total 10 marks. So one writing skill will come to the examination. Article writing format of article writing is here. So in the question, you are Asima oblique Ankit of class 10th, the head of the Innovative Science Club. Write an article in about 100 to 120 words on the topic. Recycle your trash. You can use the following inputs. First, don't trash. Second, recycle electronics. Third, save planet. So on. Here, see the article format. First one is recycle your trace, the title or heading, or by whom this has been written. So name is mentioned there, Asima or Ankita. So the Asima is mentioned here. You can mention your name as your name is there. By Asima, by line the title or headings, you have to write your name by putting the by word before your name. So next, now the introductory paragraph, and after that one middle informative paragraph, or at last concluding paragraph is there. So these are the steps to write the article. So we are going to read now what is there in this article. So title heading, recycle your trash by Asima, by line, or introductory paragraph is there. With development in science and technology, we have done immense damage to our planet. Recycling is the need of the hour if humans aspire for a healthy life. Next, now is their middle paragraph or informative paragraph. We all can recycle our waste instead of simply tracing it, and it does not require rocket science to do that. We can recycle in cans to pen holders, water bottles to PET bottles, and tires to potted plant. Recycling can be a good craft for young students to enhance their creativity and imagination. Instead of tracing electronics, donate them or recycling their parts. So these are the informative paragraphs. Next, now the last conclusion paragraph is there. Such simple and small steps can make a big difference. It may yield fruitful and positive changes for our environment by relieving the load on the rivers of our renewable resource as well. Earth is our planet only. We need to make effort to save it. So this is the conclusion of this article. So article is here. Here is the marking scheme also on the topic, the top of the format of article. Title 1 mark, content 4 mark, accuracy 2.5 marks, fluency 2.5 marks, total marks 10. So in this way, these types one article will come to the examination, or you have to prepare this one. I hope this video is useful to you in understanding the article writing. So have a great day. If you find that this is useful to you all, so subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching now.